Today's installation takes us to 𝗘𝗀𝗿𝗍, and this is the changeover. It's a 3-arm Stanley changeover, fully automated. They have their generator on the ground floor. This is a 4-story building apartment. The generator is at the ground floor. If you look very well, you see the generator right at the back of the scaffolding. And their changeover, as I said earlier, is on the 4th floor, right inside the sitting room, as you can see. So this is the changeover. So you can now imagine what they have to go through, going downward to start the gen and coming upward to do the changeover. You can now imagine the stress, especially in the middle of the night. So at this stage, they don't need to pass through all of that. Right from the sitting room, they can start the gen and the changeover engages. And on restoration of power, the changeover also engages to _NEPA and the gen also goes off automatically. So what are you waiting for? Call on us so that we can render this service to you.